In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change username on Gumroad. If you want your Gumroad profile to reflect your brand, or you just need a cleaner link to share, updating your username is quick and straightforward. I'll walk you through it, and along the way I'll share a few tips to help you pick a strong, memorable handle. First, log into your Gumroad account. You can do this on desktop or mobile, but I recommend a desktop browser because the settings pages are easier to see and navigate. Once you're in, look toward the top right of the screen. You should see your profile image or your name. Click that to open the account menu. From the menu, choose Settings. On the Settings page, head to the Profile section. Depending on your layout, this might be a tab or a link in the sidebar. This profile area is where you control the public details of your Gumroad presence, your display name, your bio, and the username that forms part of your public URL. Now, find the username field. It's usually one of the first editable fields near your name and bio. This username is important because it becomes part of your Gumroad link, which is what customers will see and click. Keep it simple, recognizable, and easy to spell. Shorter is usually better, and avoid special characters or spaces. If your ideal username is taken, try adding a word that fits your brand, a location, or a short descriptor, rather than a long string of numbers. Type in your new desired username. Most of the time, Gumroad will let you know right away if the name is available. If you see an error, tweak it slightly and try again. Before you lock it in, think about consistency. If you can match this username to what you use on social platforms, it helps people find you more easily. When you're happy with the new username, scroll to the bottom or top of the page and click Save or Update Settings. Wait for the confirmation or a brief success message, and make sure the button indicates your changes are saved. That's it. The change is applied to your profile. A couple of quick tips before we wrap up. Changing your username can affect any links you've shared previously, including links in social bios, emails, and product pages you might have embedded elsewhere. Plan ahead and set aside a moment to update those links so your audience doesn't hit a dead end. If your browser still shows the old info after saving, give the page a refresh. You've successfully updated your Gumroad username and tightened up your public presence. Thanks for watching, and happy selling.